So I'm just taking a motorbike taxi over to Lab Krau from Tonglaw. The only reason I'm doing this is it's just been raining in some parts of town, so when it rains all the taxis disappear because they're all been used, because nobody wants to get wet, and I've got to get somewhere in about 30 minutes, so 20k in a car in this sort of traffic, it's going to take the best bit of an hour. So the only real option is, because I'm going nowhere near a BTS station, is a motorbike. Normally prices are set on all motorbike journeys within the city. They're normally sort of on a board just near your taxi rank, so you don't really need to negotiate. It's all there. Get somebody to translate for you, get the prices in your head, and once you know what the prices are, you don't need to ask the price. You just have to get on the bike, tell them where you want to go, and give them the fare at the other end. Obviously for a trip like this, I had to negotiate a price because it's out of the driver's area, so I'm going to get 20k in distance, and it's going to cost me 200 baht. Is that a bit of a Farang price? Probably. Will it get me there on time? 100% it'll get me there on time, and to be honest, there's no other way I could have done that sort of distance. So when you are in Bangkok, if traffic is bad and you need to be somewhere quick, brush up on your negotiating skills, and motorbike travel is a very time efficient way to get around the city.